Would you like to get approved for an Amazon business credit card with a limit of $30,000 or higher and get approved without a personal guarantee and without a personal credit check? Well, I'm about to reveal to you how to get an Amazon corporate credit card for your business EIN that's not linked to your personal social. I'm going to show you how to get approved as a startup, even as a high-risk industry, even without any collateral, no cash flow verification, and without them even looking at your consumer credit report. I'm going to show you the 7 requirements that you must meet in order to get approved. And I'm going to show you how to do this quickly. You're able to go from not even having a business credit profile and score to getting approved for this account in 60 days or less. Plus, I'm going to sprinkle in some of my best tips along the way to help you condense years of business credit building to only months. And if you stay to the end, I'm going to give you access to our special guide that maps out the exact steps to build your business credit so you can get your business to fund itself using corporate credit. We got a lot to cover, so let's dive in. Amazon offers an amazing corporate credit card that can really help you get the money you need to grow your business. So this credit card works with anything that you buy from Amazon. So as we know, as business owners, like a lot of the stuff that we need to buy and a lot of the stuff we do buy, we can and do get from Amazon. Well, this card allows you to buy anything that you can get from Amazon and do it in your business name. So they offer a net 55 term. It's not a revolving credit card, but whatever you use this credit card for has to be paid back within 55 days. So they give you nearly 2 months to actually pay the account back. Now, the other cool thing about this credit card is it reports to Experian, Dun & Bradstreet, and Equifax, all 3 of the commercial credit reporting agencies. So it helps you build business credit really quickly because it gives you what we call 3 payment experiences because it reports to all 3 of the reporting agencies. Now, the limits on this are very high. I mean, we oftentimes see people 30 days to 60 days into the business credit building process getting approved for on the low end 10,000, on the average end 30,000, and I've seen a lot of approvals of $50,000 or more. So a credit card you can get less than 2 months from Amazon to buy everything they have and have 2 months to pay it back and be able to build payment experiences to build your business credit really quickly in the process. Yeah. Pretty cool, right? So now let's talk a little bit more about exactly what it takes to get approved. To get approved for the Amazon corporate credit card, first of all, you need to have a handful of payment experiences already reporting on your business credit reports. So before you get to any retail credit, Amazon, Walmart, Staples, Office Depot, any credit with retailers, you need to have an initial credit report and score established. And they each have a certain amount of payment experiences you really need to be on your report before you're able to get approved. For Amazon specifically, you need to have at least 5 of these payment experiences, which means you want to use vendors like Uline, Quill, Granger, etc. to be able to add them first to your business credit reports. Then from there, you're able to qualify for Amazon when you have a handful of those payment experiences. Now, before you even apply for any credit, even those vendors I just mentioned, you need to make sure that your fundability is set up the right way. Fundability is what lenders and credit issuers look at to determine if you should be approved without even looking at your income first or your credit scores or any of that stuff. It's the basic structure of your business that makes you look credible. Okay, there's actually 125 points to fundability, but some of the basic things are to have your entity, your EIN set up, having your address for your business set up, a business phone number, website, email address, etc. Now, for Amazon specifically, there's 7 things you need to make sure you have done in order to get approved. First of all, you need to have your business entity set up with a Secretary of State, preferably a corporation or an LLC. That increases your chances of getting approved for all credit and financing. Okay, after you have your entity set up, you need to get your EIN number from the IRS. Look, you could be a sole proprietor and not have your EIN set up. So you need to actually get that EIN set up. Business credit's built under that EIN. You need to have a business bank account set up. They're not going to look at your bank account. They're going to ask you, though, for a bank reference. So you need to make sure that you have that set up. You also need to make sure you have your business address set up. And that address needs to be congruent everywhere. Your bank statements, all your offline records. It also needs to be on your website, yellow page listings, all of your social media pages, everywhere. Secretary of State, IRS, everywhere your business address is listed. You need to make sure that that address is set up and listed the right way. You also need to make sure you have a business phone number set up, and you also also need to make sure that that business phone number is actually listed with 411. Amazon requires that that phone number be set up and listed with 411 to get approved. You also need to make sure that you have your DUNS number with Dun & Bradstreet. So you can go to creditsuite.com/DUNS to set that up. It's 100% free. Dun & Bradstreet might call and try to sell you some stuff that you don't need, but you don't need to buy it. All you need to do is go to creditsuite.com/DUNS. In about 3 days to 2 weeks, you should be able to have that. And if you have a license that's needed for your county, your industry, your state, get that business license. Having a business license will only help make the approval process easier with Amazon. So if you need a license for your industry, for your state, and your county, go ahead and get that license. So those are all the requirements to get approved for this Amazon corporate credit card account. And there you have it. So now you know how the Amazon corporate credit card account works, how to get it for your EIN that's not linked to your social, all the approval criteria, everything you need to know to go get approved. If you'd like more information about building your business credit, including more information on fundability, the vendors you need to get set up, and how to access all kinds of retail credit, fleet credit, Visa card, MasterCard, cash credit, even auto financing, all without a personal guarantee or credit check, make sure you get our free guide at creditsuite.com/EIN guide. That's creditsuite.com/EIN guide. And give us a call for your free business credit consultation. On this consultation, we will help you get your business credit reports for free. They're $249 from the business credit reporting agencies, but on this call, you can get them for free. We'll give you tips and tactics to build your business credit. We'll qualify you for all the funding you may get approved for right now. We'll help do a fundability check to see what you need to fix on your fundability. All of that happens for free on this consult call. So to schedule your consultation, you can visit us online at creditsuite.com/consult. You can give us a call at 877-600-2487. That's 877-600-2487. Send us an email, info@creditsuite.com. And if you got value from this, like and subscribe right here on this channel so you can make sure you get more information from us about how to get money to start and grow your business.